The question was, I am sure that you have a lot of interests.
Uh-huh.
So let's see what if you can share what interests you have.
Oh, okay.
So what are your passions? What are
Yeah.
activities do you enjoy the most?
Okay.
What do you like doing?
Oh, like materials of school
Subjects?
subjects.
Anything that you like. Maybe you like some subjects: history, chemistry, math, philosophy. I don't know. What,
Yes, yes, yes.
what activities, or even activities? Maybe you like solving puzzles. I,
Oh,
I
okay,
like
okay, okay.
activities too, not only classes.
I like to maths.
You like maths? All right.
Yeah, physics,
Maths. Okay.
maths,
Physics.
physics, philosophy.
You like philosophy?
Yeah, some of, but it's a topic that I don't know a lot of this topic, but I like the psychology.
Psychology.
Psychology,
Psychology.
yes,
It's very pretty. It's a great
yeah.
topic. Yeah.
The literature teacher,
Literature.
literature,
It's fantastic.
or talking public, like oratoria or something like that.
Public speaking.
Yeah.
You like that too? Wow.
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Teacher, are in a math class before this? Oh, for
Oh,
the
yes,
this
yes, yes. It was very basic. Very basic.
yes, what topic is this teacher is like a curva, no?
Curve, yes. It's a
Curve.
curve. The
Oh, it's the area, no? Is the
the area and the circumference of a circle.
oh
Actually,
yes,
it's half a circle. A young kid that is in junior high comes for counseling sometimes, not always, but sometimes.
yes.
Yeah. You like
Oh
math, right?
yes, yes.
Maybe one day that am very tight or difficult to teach the class, maybe you can help me.
Yes, teacher. For
Yeah.
example, this topic I can teach very easy. It's a
Really?
circle. It's a circle. Yes.
Yeah, well, it's the circle, but for
It's
example, I'm going to show you one of the problems that he had. It was a very interesting problem. It was a problem like this, and it was really interesting. It's let's see how you would do it because it was nice. I enjoyed the problem, and it was
yes.
more or less like this.
He's on secondary or prepa
Yeah,
or
he's in junior high. No, actually, I'm sorry. No, he's in second year of junior high preparatory.
junior high is secondary, no?
No, junior high is secondary. Yes,
Okay, okay.
and preparatory is well, preparatory is the other one, right? So it was a problem more or less like this, but let me delete this part. So there is a circle,
Yeah.
a semicircle, and
Yes.
then this semicircle there is another semicircle which reaches half of it only, from here to here only, and more or less like this, approximately like this. This is more or less half, 50%.
Oh. I think it's only calculate the half of the circle.
Exactly, that's the right way to do it. And there is another half a circle, and I'll show it to you in a moment. It's a really simple problem, but at
Okay.
first sight, it looks complicated, but it's not complicated. And then let me see another half circle, and that's it. It's not complex really. It's kind of easy, but at first sight, it looks No, it was here. Yeah, like this. So what you have to do is calculate the area of the shadow area. Let me put him some color.
Yes.
Put some color. I think they gave him this, and this. That's okay.
Ah.
So that's what you have to calculate. Calculate the area of the red area, the
Yeah.
surface of the red area, when you know that this is 12. This is 12. The whole length is 12, right? From here to here.
12. All of this. Oh,
12
okay.
centimeters. 12 centimeters from here to here.
Okay.
And the other is 6.
Okay.
That was a really simple but interesting at first sight. You say, "Oh,
Yeah.
that's complicated," but then you realize that it's really simple, right? 6 meters or centimeters.
If all of these circles are the half are the half of the another, we see on this that is the radio of the little circle is
Yes,
all the radius is a divide of 12, no?
correct, correct. For example, yeah, that's correct. But then, how do you solve this problem? How do you find the area of the red section?
All the rest session.
The red sections, which are well, this is one, right? Let me put black here. This is one. This is
Yeah,
sorry. Is it visible? Yes, visible, right? I guess.
but the plus of three rest sessions, no?
Three red sections exactly.
Yeah.
So how do you
Uh,
solve it?
okay, for the part of the square, we could calculate the white circle, big circle, and
Right.
rest to the rectangle like 12 por 6, no?
Exactly, you're exactly right. So the
Yeah,
surface of the rectangle equals 6 times what?
12.
12 exactly. That is what?
Yes.
How much is that?
72.
Perfect. You're a mathematician. All right. So it's the surface. Surface of the rectangle is
Yeah.
72. And then what is the area of the white circle that you correctly mentioned? What is the area of this white
Okay.
circle?
Their area?
The
Area?
surface, yes, the area, the surface.
In English is surface area?
Superficie, area or surface? You can say surface or area, both.
Oh, okay, okay. I think surface it sounds better. Okay, his surface it's six
Uh,
six por
6 times,
uh
6 times
por pi,
six.
and at the final divide on two, o sea, 6 por pi al cuadrado entre dos.
But that is the
Oh yes, but
square. Must be squared, right?
sorry. You say the red spaces in the
The red
square.
space, yes, this one here, this area here, yes. How you
Oh,
calculate multiplying pi by radius square, correct or not? Let me make this
sorry,
bigger.
teacher, I don't understand the question.
Yeah, the area of this section of the white circle,
Of
semicircle,
the white circle, no?
the white semicircle, yes, exactly.
Yes,
So,
is the area of. Oh, okay. I'm going to. I can use the calculate, no? The
of
calculator.
course, yes, of course, of
Yes.
course. Yeah, of
uh,
course. So
okay.
it is pi times, what's the formula? R
I
square, right?
used.
R
I
square?
I go.
Yes, pi square, right?
It's I have a 50 seats. 50
Equals 56 point.
point 54866
Okay, let's use only two digits. Two
Yes.
digits. So it's 56.54. You multiplied 6 times 6 times pi, right? No, there must be
Mm,
something wrong.
sorry?
There must be something wrong because is this is the same? Let's check the operations because it's 3.14
Yeah.
times 6 times 6.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So 36 times 3 must be more than 56.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. But I divide
And I'm
for
sorry, you're right.
two.
Divided by 2. I'm so no, you're totally right. Perfect. Yeah, no, you're right. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay.
Okay, so you subtract this and then you make the addition of what? Or what do you do next? So it's
For the red parts on a. on up of this square.
Yeah, the semicircle here,
Ah,
not counting the white circle, but the complete red circle here.
oh, okay, okay, okay. For this part, we could. Ay, my cat, sorry.
Yes, perfect, that's correct. Is
um,
Ronnie?
yes, it's Ronnie, but I don't know what happened with Ronnie because it's more chillon than than the normal.
Maybe he wants to participate in math.
Yes, he knows the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, on this, the radio of the red semicircle is six. No, no, no.
The
It's
radius
three. It's three, teacher.
three exactly,
Three.
exactly. So the
And
surface,
the white, a little semicircle is 1.5.
exactly right. Very good. Excellent.
Yes.
That's correct.
And we calculate like before, and we make the rest of
The
this area.
subtraction. We subtract the yellow. I mean, the yellow S minus the blue S, right? I mean, the blue surface.
Okay, 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 okay.
So
We subtract the blue surface to the yellow surface, no?
from the yellow surface, yes, exactly. I mean, let me put colors. That's a great idea. Let me put colors. I'm going to put yellow here,
Yes.
and I'm going to put blue here. Actually, the complete the complete yellow surface is how much?
Ah, okay. I'm going to. Okay. Treat the radio. No. Yes, yes, it's treat the radio. 9, okay, it's 14.
14
14
point.
point 137.
Oh, let's not use only two digits.
Okay,
14.13. All
yeah.
right. So that's the yellow surface. And then if we subtract the
The blue surface.
the blue surface, let me paint it blue.
Yeah.
Blue is it? That's not blue. Let me see. I'm sorry here. What am I doing here? Blue. So if we subtract the blue surface from it, what?
Yeah, the the area of the blue surface is 3.53.
3.53.
Yeah.
That's the surface. You multiplied 1.5 square, right? Times pi.
Sorry?
You multiplied, this is the same as 3.14 times 1.5 times 1.5. Everything divided by 2,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Excellent. Okay, good. So if that's what you did and you obtained 3.53, excellent. That's the way to solve it. And finally, what you do is then you take 72,
Um,
72
yes.
minus minus
Minus the
50.54
56
plus
plus okay, the yellow surface 14.13.
13 exactly. Finally minus
Minus 3.53.
exactly 3.53. That's
Yeah,
the way to solve it. Perfect. Very good, Luis. Good job. What did we get?
yeah. I'm going to make the in the calculate uh, 3 minus 3.2. Okay, it's 26.06.
26.06. Very good. So
Yes,
that's the surface of the red area,
red
including this
area.
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Very good job.
Yeah,
Well,
thank you.
that's what I did today with this kid. As you can
Mm.
see, was not difficult.
For but it's for a one exam or for a one tournament?
For no, for an exam. It's for an exam that he's
Oh,
going to have
oh, okay, okay, okay.
next week, but he wants to get ready for the exam. So
Yes.
he came for a to solve some problems that he has to solve as homework, but it's also preparation for his exam.
Yeah.
So as you can see, this problem is quite simple, but it's interesting, right?
Yes, it's very interesting. The way to play with the areas of polígonos regulares,
Regular
regular
polygons
polygons, to found another areas of figures. ¿Cómo se pronuncia, teacher?
of what?
Figuras? ¿Cómo se pronuncia?
Figures.
Figures, yes, to find figures that isn't our knowledge, conocidas?
There are known.
Known. Okay, okay, there are
No,
known.
no, because you have known quantities and you have also unknown
Oh, okay, okay, unknown. Okay, okay, okay.
quantities, right? The
Yes.
unknown.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So the unknown is also known as a incognita, right? What is the unknown? Known
The unknown,
quantities and
unknown, lo desconocido, ¿no?
unknown. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Unknown quantities. And
Yes.
known. Let me see. Unknown. I'm missing a name. Right. Known and unknown quantities.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Very good. So this is what we did today in the afternoon with this young kid, and he's a nice kid, really. He's a nice kid, and he
Yes.
comes for tutorship sometimes, like once a week normally.
But his school is better than a lot of the school that I know, because when I stay in second of the high school, I never see problems like that.
Oh,
No,
really?
really, only in one tournament when I stay on third or secondary,
Uh-huh.
but it's a tournament of the CMAT, one association
Yeah, I
like that.
know the math school of the University of Guanajuato.
Yes, it's of this tournament of this school, and I participate, and it's a very sad history, because um, our is a national tournament of high school students,
Yeah, yeah, I know.
and are five etapas,
Stages.
stages. Okay, five stages, and I passed the first stage and the second stage.
Really? Oh, I didn't
Really?
know that. Wow,
Yes. When
congratulations.
I stay in third of secondary,
Really? I
and
didn't
I
know.
still have the mails of the CMAT.
Really? There is a
Oh,
German doctor, Doctora something,
uh,
who is
okay.
who is a German lady, German teacher, who is very famous in the CIMAT.
Yes.
I think
Yes,
she
my
prepares,
that's
yeah,
no, no, no. Sorry.
I think she prepares students or used to prepare them in the past for the
Yeah.
international competition, I think.
Yes. In the for in fact of this tournament, if I pass the third stage, the CMAT people prepared to me to participate in a four and a five stage, because this tournament are national.
I know, and it's a very important tournament, very
Yes,
important competition.
but the
Yeah.
very very sad part is that I passed the second, I passed the first, and I passed the second stage, but I think I no think no, ¿cómo sería yo pensé? Thinking
I,
pasado.
I thought
Okay. I thought in this time that I don't pass the second part of this tournament.
that I wouldn't
Yes, I wouldn't. I
pass
thought
the second stage.
in that time.
Really? Okay.
Really, but I pass, and I never present the third exam, because I never see my mail. I never see the message that I pass the second part.
Oh no, really?
Yes, until I when I see the mail are two or three days that the fecha, ¿cómo se dice fecha,
The
teacher?
date
Yes, the date of this exam are passed. Ya había pasado.
had passed. The date
Yes,
of the competition was due or was passed.
yeah.
Oh, really?
Really, it's really, really sad history because I am very excited with this tournament on this time, but I for my fellows, no, for
Well,
but
it was. What a sad story. I didn't know that. Well, first of all, congratulations for passing the first and second stages.
yes,
It's,
thank you. But
it's an extremely competitive competition,
yes,
very competitive, and the level is very high too. Very high level. Mm, so you really like math then?
yes, but right now, before years before, like hace 2 years.
2 years ago,
Yes, 2 years ago, I study maths for my account, but
on my
only
own, on my own,
for
on my
sorry.
own. I studied math on my own.
Oh yes, yes, yes. I study maths on my own. 2 years ago, but for only for my gusto.
My own liking, my own like.
Yes, my own like it. I study the combinatory of probably of the precalculi. Precalculi.
Precalculus, yes, probability
Yes,
combination.
when I 2 years ago, but right now I know don't study nothing of maths, but don't for like I think it's a desmotivation because in the institute we never see nothing of this. The institute have a very 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 low level on maths, and nothing of I see on maths we see on the institute.
Okay.
And,
There is a very famous and impressive guy. Not many people know him. Let me look him up.
okay.
Uh, Cardano. Does it ring the bell? The name Cardano. Let me see. No,
Mm,
what's he? Cardano. I think. Yeah. Can you Google Girolamo Cardano, please?
okay.
He was
Can you repeat his name, teacher?
Girolamo o Girolamo Cardano. Cardano,
Geronimo.
Girolamo. I'm gonna put his name.
Amo-
Girolamo.
Oh, yeah, yes, yes. Gerolamo Cardano.
Excellent. Yeah, him, please.
But it's like a biology. Biologo.
Biologist.
Yes, biologist.
Girolamo Cardano. What does it say about him, please?
Mm, Gerolamo Cardano. Oh, I read in Spanish,
No,
but
but Google him in English, please, so that you can,
oh, okay, okay.
or I can show you what I found. I can also show you this, and maybe you can read it from here, please. Please.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, yes. Girolamo Cardano, also known as Girolamo or Jerome Cardano, was an Italian polymath of the Resistance era, renowned for his contributions of mathematics, medicine, astronomy, and philosophy. Born on September 24, 1501 in Pavia, Italy, and dying of sorry, on September 21, on 1176 in Rome, Cardano led a life marked by both significant achievements and personal struggles.
So look at all the topics that he enjoyed, that he liked. He liked
Yes, yes,
math,
it's very,
mathematics,
very
medicine,
complete.
astronomy, and philosophy. Wow, that's impressive, right?
Yes, like Descartes or Blaise Pascal, no?
They too.
Yeah, Descartes are a mathematics and a philosophy. I remember that Blaise Pascal too. Blaise Pascal, like for the triangle, Pascal triangle.
Right, I know.
Yes,
Yeah, the Pascal triangle. Yeah, of course.
yes.
In maths, in what is that in algebra?
Sorry.
That is used in algebra for the poly. What do you call this? Poly
Oh, for complete the binomials, no? The binomial,
binomial. Yes, binomial
binomial, yes, binomial desarrollo.
development. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that was Pascal. Very bright. Well, look at all these topics: medicine, astronomy, philosophy, and mathematics. They are more or less
Oh,
similar
very
because you like
competitive.
two.
Yeah.
Except that you also like psychology. That is an additional talent. Well, look, if you, I'm sure that you have seen movies from Sherlock Holmes, haven't you?
Sorry for what? For
From by
who?
Sherlock Holmes.
Cheryl,
Sherlock Holmes,
no.
the famous detective from
Oh,
Scotland Yard.
Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes, yeah.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay.
He uses inverse psychology, right? He uses psychology
Yeah.
to more or less think the modus operandi of the criminals, right? To find out
Yes, it's
what
very
their
interesting.
motivation was and discover how they committed the crime, right?
Right.
So that's fabulous.
Yes, but I think that well, we if we see the list, the subjects that I say at the first of the class, I think that of these subjects, some of these subjects are only for a pastime and not for work. Because, for example, the philosophy, if I study philosophy, I think I ended like a teacher of philosophy in one school, no?
Yeah, that's probably yes.
Yes.
And
And
that is a topic that you can study on your own.
yes,
I don't think you need to go to an institute to learn philosophy. And philosophy is very wide. So probably would be better that you hire a tutor or someone who's a philosopher and an expert in philosophy to
yeah,
discuss different ideas or make a friend.
yeah.
Actually, remember teacher Edna?
Yes, I remember the teacher Edna. Some of my friends say that Edna is very, very, very strict, and she is very angry with with the students. Yeah, she is not my teacher, but because the institute have the levels of English, and she is a teach of one level of five levels that I is stay in the institute, and she's done of my level, but I have friends in this level that say that Edna is very complicated. Yeah.
Really? Okay. Well, probably yes, because she used to be a teacher at Liceo Cervantino,
Mhm.
and it's a matter of styles. A matter of styles. It's
Yeah,
difficult. Sometimes people criticize you because you are very lenient, very lax, the
yeah.
opposite of strict, right? And very easy, in other words, right? And
Yes.
some other teachers, some other students will criticize you because you are very strict on the opposite side. It's like difficult being in the middle, right? Not very
Yeah.
strict, not very lax.
Yes, yes. I think that the problem on the institute is the students of the institute despreciar. ¿Cómo sería despreciar, teacher?
Despise.
Yeah, okay, despise the students of the institute, of the majority of the students of the institute despise good teachers for are very strict on these materials or for exigir.
Because,
Um,
to demand, to
yes,
demand.
of or to demand more level or more work that the students are as a customer.
Uh,
So in the institute, you pass if only if you know nothing, but if you upload all the works on the classroom.
okay.
you don't need make nothing, not nothing to know nothing or to no. The institute have a very low level, and I think the students are a customer of this, and the majority, the special, the teachers that vary the math more level or more disposition to the students.
Yeah, well, yeah, I agree, Luis, and that's sad because it's important that the students learn more,
Yeah,
but also it's a responsibility of the institution, of the institute, Instituto Roboto, to secure better teachers and motivate the students and choose better programs, like you say, better,
yeah,
more challenging math programs.
yes.
Well, okay, I agree with you. So it's funny. I'm not going to tell Edna that what they think
Okay.
about her. Well, maybe, but I will not mention names. I will not mention names. I will tell her that maybe she needs to take it a little bit easier, not to be so extremely strict, because, I mean, at the
Yeah.
end, the students learn more on motivation than on pressure. Don't you think?
Yes.
You know?
But also I know that Edna have a very problematic student. So for in his classroom, she I how do you say le tocaron muy malos a estudiantes.
She got very bad students
Yes, she got very problematic students for the people that I know that stay in his classroom.
in
It's
her
very
her classroom.
complicated.
Her classroom.
Yes.
In her classroom. So, okay, well, let's go back a little bit to Gerolamo Cardano. He was very brilliant. Let's see if
Okay.
you can find in English some of his achievements. Achievements by Cardano.
Oh, okay.
By Cardano, Gerolamo Cardano. Achievements. In maths, he found the solution to the cubic equations. That's one of the achievements that he got, which is not minor, it's something really important at that time.
Yeah.
So
What is?
let me show it to you. I'll show it to you in a moment.
Okay. Okay.
Here, I think it's here. Let's see if you can read it, please.
Oh, yes. Okay. Solution to cubic equations. Cardano is renowned for his work in algebra. Oh, is algebra or algebra? Or
Algebra. You
algebra.
pronounce
Okay.
correctly.
Okay. Particularly his solutions to cubic equations in his seminal work Ars Magna, the Great Art, published in
15,
1000.
1541, 1545.
Oh, okay. 1545, he provided the first systematic solution to cubic equations, which he learned from Niccolo Tartaglia, who had independently discovered it.
Yeah. So he was very good at algebra, but
Yes.
also another great achievement, and you will be surprised by this and delighted to, in probability.
Oh, okay.
He did.
Probability theory. Cardano made early contributions to the field of probability through his work libel of the Ludo Alea book on games of chance, written in 5060, no, 1560,
Yes.
published posthumously in 1000, no, 1663. This text is considered one of the earliest systematic treatments of probability and combinatorics.
Exactly. And he is credited as being the father of the casinos.
Oh,
Why do
okay.
you think? Why do you think he's credited the father of the casino studies?
Oh, it's
Why?
very
Why?
interesting because I think that very games in a casino is a games of combinatory and probability. A
Absolutely.
probability game. Like a
Absolutely.
chess, no? Chess also is a combinatory and probability theory, like the problem of horse
Exactly.
on the board, no? The combination to the horse jumps, recover all of these squares of the
Squares.
board, and don't repeat any square. No, I think Euler resolved this. No, or I don't remember how.
I think it was Euler. No, you're right. It was Euler. Euler who
Oh,
was
Euler. Okay, okay.
Euler is the person who solved this problem. Yeah, you're very correct. Very true.
Yes.
Actually, the life of Euler is also very, very interesting. Luis. Very
Yes.
interesting.
His father wants to Euler are some of religion, no? Some of, I don't know if pastor or of what, but Euler recovered to the mathematics now. I think that I hear something like that. I'm going to search on the web, but yes, I think the father of Euler wants to Euler are another thing.
Yeah, I think you're right. I Googled something about him and let's see what it says about Leonard Euler. Okay, here it is. Let's read a
Yes,
little bit about his
his
life.
father are Protestant pastor, Protestant pastor.
Oh, really? Okay.
Really, and his father want to Euler follow his steps. Follow his steps. Yeah.
Oh, really? Well, let's read a little bit about that. Can you read about his life, please,
Yes.
Leonard Euler?
Euler, but was she? Oh, yeah,
Early,
yeah. Oh, yeah,
early
yes.
life.
Sorry. Early life and education. Birth family. Leonard Euler was born on April 15 on 77 in Basel, Switzerland.
Yeah, he was Swiss. He was
Swiss.
Swiss from Switzerland.
Switzerland. His father, Paul Euler, was a pastor, and his mother, Margaret Brucker, was the daughter of a pastor. Euler's family valued education and intellectual pursuits. His education, Euler showed an early talent for mathematics. At the age of 13, he entered the University of Basel, where he studied under Johann Bernoulli, one of the leading mathematics of the time. Bernoulli quickly recognized Euler's potential and mentored him on mathematics.
Imagine to have Bernoulli as a tutor. Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah.
But then he went to Russia, I think. Yeah, here it is. Let me show you this. He went to study to Russia and then he became truly, truly good because they always have had good mathematicians in Russia. They have
Oh,
had,
okay, okay.
yeah, great. The
But
Germans,
this is on Italy, no?
this was in Italy. Well, he was in Switzerland, which is in the north of Italy. But
Oh,
then, according to the biography, he moved to Russia. Let's see, to St. Petersburg Academy. Let's read that here a
okay.
little bit.
Um, career and contributions. Is the is like
Saint Petersburg,
Saint Petersburg's. Okay, like a
San
santo, no?
Petersburgo. Yeah.
Okay, Saint Petersburg's Academy in 1727. At the age of 20, Euler moved to Saint Petersburg, Russia, to work at the newly established Saint
Saint
Petersburg's.
Petersburg, Saint Petersburg.
Okay, Saint Petersburg's Academy of Science. He initially worked in the sociology department, but soon transferred to mathematics Berlin Academy. In 1741, Euler accepted an invitation from Frederick the Great to join the Berlin Academy of Science. He spent 25 productive years in Berlin, making significant contributions to various fields. Returned to St. Petersburg in 1766, Euler returned to St. Petersburg, where he continued his work until his death. Oh, the
Yeah.
text say a lot of things St. Petersburg.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, they say it's one of the most beautiful cities in the world now.
Oh, okay.
Is what is called Leningrad now, but they used to call it St. Petersburg. No, they changed the name back to St. Petersburg, then
Oh,
went back to Leningrad. Now it's back to St. Petersburg.
Oh, okay, yes. And Euler is a very, very, very important on
Mathematician. Oh,
mathematics.
yes. He's one of the great
Yes. For
mathematicians.
the number E, the 2.7 and a lot of, say, rational is infinity and periodic decimals.
Yeah, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Also, the imaginary numbers have one of
Oh,
these,
I
right?
don't know the Euler invent the imaginary numbers.
No, he didn't invent them, but related to Euler. Let
I
me see what
remember
is
the identity of Euler. The I'm going to I don't remember how go. E ¿cómo sería elevado? Teacher?
to the
Oh, okay. E to the p imaginary plus one is zero. If the
wow, you're very
identity,
well prepared, Luis. Incredibly well prepared. That's
yeah.
exactly what it says here. Euler's identity.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. And I remember that these are for the plus of the functions seno and coseno
Sine and
that
cosine.
are entero, no? Entero, the
Integer numbers. Yes.
integral numbers. Yes.
Well, this impressive, and they said, well, let's read what it says because I didn't know this. I mean, I knew the Euler's identity, but what it means,
Oh,
can you read it, please?
yes. A special case of Euler's formula when x is equal to p
To pi?
gives us Euler's identity.
Identity.
This this formula,
E
this
to the I pi power,
yes, e to the I
pi
pi
power.
power. Oh, okay, power plus one is equal to zero. This elegant and surprising equation links five of the most important constants in mathematics: E, A,
I,
B, and no, 1 and 0. It is often celebrated for his beauty and simplicity, demonstrating a profound connection between seemingly unrelated areas of mathematics.
yes, they seem to be not related, unrelated areas, right? But in reality, they are all related. They are all connected.
Yes, and his demonstration of this formula is very, very interesting. I think in a 1 minute of video is a demonstration. I'm going to compartir the video, teacher.
To share, yes, please,
Yes,
yes, if
yes.
you could, that'd be
I'm going
awesome.
to wait.
Yeah, of course, of course.
English.
You really like math, huh?
Yes, and this never see in the institute. In the institute, the temario is very, very, very sad.
Well. But it's better when you follow your own path. You follow your own path, your own way. That is amazing.
Yeah.
It requires determination and a strong will. So congratulations, Luis, because not many people do that. Some people become okay. Well, that's a problem. Okay, I just go with the program. But if you take your own initiative and decide to go on your own, that's fabulous.
Yes, but mm, like I said before, I think I dejé de estudiar.
I quit studying.
Yes, I quit studying in the institute, but very very things like a stress or some problems that I have. But no, I like a lot of math, but I las dejé, las dejé.
I left them. Well, there is always time to come back. You can always come back and have a new approach towards math because you will see math everywhere. You will see math in biology, in psychology, in criminology. You will see math in philosophy,
Yeah, yes,
in art, in music. Math is everywhere, right and left. In chess, of course.
yes. I teacher, I don't found the video, but I think I found. Oh no.
Let me see. There must be one
But I
demonstration
saw
of.
this video a lot of time ago that are the funciones seno and coseno are like así, ¿no? Ondas, ¿no? Like así.
Yeah. I think I found a video that proves Euler's identity, Luis. Let me share it with you, okay?
Yes, but are we series of Taylor, no? They have a polynomic approximation to this, no? But
Well, let's see what you think. Let's uh, here. Let me share it with you. Here, I put it here. Let's see if that is the video that you were looking for. Maybe it's another one. Maybe it's the same.
okay.
Luis. Here. I just sent you the link. Take a look, please. Maybe it's what you were looking for. Maybe not.
Oh, okay, okay. Mm,
Mi estimadísimo, buenas tardes. Qué gusto saludarte. Oye, una preguntota.
oh, okay, okay.
Tengo una queja, por así decirlo, de un alumno. Y te hice la pregunta en el grupo de WhatsApp de coach, pero siento que no has tenido oportunidad de verla.
Oh, it's in English.
Aunque me gustaría que fuera justificable para todos, ya estudió la forma de hacerlo. El torneo que tú preparas para la última parte de la clase, que son los 40 minutos, tú estás presente en el torneo, si te quedas con ellos o ya ellos se quedan solos, porque hubo una cuestión ahí llamémosle de queja o de acoso o de burla o no sé cómo se podría significar eso, de que estuvieron atacando, pensándole de tramposo.
What do you think?
Oh, teacher, I am be honestly, I don't understand very well the video. I on English, I don't know how what they say. They are talk to them. Oh,
Well,
oh,
but
okay.
but
No, no,
this
no.
is
Sorry, teacher. Sorry.
no. Go ahead.
No, no, no. I only. Ya pasé, Miki. Ya, ya. I only.
Hi, teacher.
No,
Es
how are
que
you?
Miki quería pasar.
Yeah, no, that's perfect. Perfect.
Yes, yes, yes. Ya, ya, ya. Ya estoy. Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry, teacher. How do
the
you
math,
say?
yeah, the math demonstration is. There are many ways to prove something, right? There are many
Yes.
ways to prove something. Sometimes it is easy. Sometimes it's proven in a way. Sometimes it's proven in another way. So it varies quite a bit. It can be easy to follow or difficult to follow. But there are many videos, of course.
Yes. Yes.
This doesn't
Yes.
mean to be the definite video. But what is important and is fantastic is that you like maths and obviously the I would say pure maths, right? But math has also many applications in many fields. And one
Yes.
of them is in combinations and combinatorics, as you said here with Cardano, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So how do you imagine the operation of a casino is? How do you imagine that is the operation of a casino? Let's suppose that someone wants to understand the maths behind a casino.
Oh, I think depends of the what game of the casino. But I think these things is very complicated to me very complicated to me. But no, teacher, I think it's a very large operations, no.
Well, it's a fantastic field, at least from what I know. You know, the house has the edge, right? You know that the house has the advantage.
No, teacher, I don't know. No.
Well,
House of what?
the house, the casino,
Okay.
the casino is the house, right? La
Oh,
casa, la
okay,
casa
okay.
gana, right?
Okay.
Okay, well, let's see how it works because it's truly interesting. I'm gonna
Okay.
open a new paint here and let's see what they say about it. Can you
Okay.
read this to get familiar with the language, with the vocabulary, please?
Yes. House edge. The house edge is the average profile that a casino expects to make from each bet. It is the difference between the two odds of winning and the payout odds offered by the casino. The house edge ensures the double large number of bets, the casino, the casino will make a profit.
A
Okay,
profit.
a profit.
Okay, the ganancia is obvious that the casinos will make a profit. That's why Las Vegas is so wealthy, right? They are
Yes,
multimillionaires, right?
yes, yes.
Then you make your bets, you make your apuestas, right? Bet. You make the
Mhm.
bet, you make your apuesta, and you calculate the probability that you will win or that you will lose, correct?
Oh, okay.
So what are the odds? The true odds of winning is the probability of winning, right? What is your odd? Las chances de ganar. Which are the true odds of winning? Well,
Oh, mhm.
yes, depending on the game, right? Depending on the
Yes,
game.
yes. Depending on the game.
Okay, so let's see what they say about roulette. You know the roulette?
But I imagine one roulette, but I don't know this specific roulette.
Okay, let's see the formulas that they show us.
Okay.
Well, first of all, can you look up for a picture of the roulette in a casino, please, Liz? To have the same base,
Okay.
the roulette of a casino, how the game is, images. So here's the roulette, right? Here's a picture. I'll show the picture. Okay, I think I'll show the picture. This is very mathematical, believe it or not, incredibly mathematical.
Oh, oh, okay.
So let's see. This is a picture.
Okay.
Let's see the numbers and let's see how it works. Um, you have the zero and the double zero.
Okay.
What is characteristic of this zero and this double zero? What is the characteristic? They
Mm,
normally go for the house.
oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay.
So on the left, you have the roulette, correct? You have the
Mm-hmm.
roulette here. That's the roulette.
Yes.
So you make a roll, and if it falls in a five, let's say that you put a chip. Let's see. I think in Aguascalientes, the chips in the casino were, well, depending on the on the amount. But when I was 18, 20 years old, I went for the first time to a casino, and I was impressed,
Okay.
impressed. And I think this at that time this was 500 pesos. Let's say that you put here, right?
Okay.
So how does this work? If you put this and it is, let's say, $500, 500 pesos here,
Mm-hmm.
and the roulette hits in a five,
Okay.
let's say it hits in a five, I think they give you 36 to 1. 36 to 1. In other words, if you put a chip of 500 pesos times 36, how much is that?
Um, I'm going to put in the calculate. It's 18 mil, 18 mil, 18 mil, 18,000, 18,000.
18,000. Wow, that's a fortune, right? 18,000
Yes.
pesos. It's good money for just one chip. Of course, what is the probability that you will hit five? What is the probability? Well, that's your field. That's your
Yeah.
topic.
If are 36 numbers, but I don't sure, I don't sure. But we imagine that it could be one of divide 36, no?
Well, here is the little difference. You are almost correct, casi correcto.
Okay.
Probability of getting a five is actually, what is this, Luis? 1 over 36 in decimals is 0. What?
Okay, okay. It's here. One, entre. Ay, no veo el entre. Okay. Okay. 0.0 two 777 periodic 7 periodic 7.
Periodic 7, okay. So let's use four digits. But in reality, it's 1 over 38. Why?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe for the zeros, for the two.
Exactly, exactly right. Yes, there are two additional numbers in the roulette,
Oh, okay, okay.
zero and double zero.
Mm, okay.
Yes,
Ah, the probability. Oh, okay, okay. I go, I go.
the probability of 1 over 38, not 1 over 36. That makes a
Okay.
difference.
Is 0.0,
Zero point 0,
2, 6, 3,
so a
1.
little bit less, a
Yes,
little bit less
yes,
than the
yes.
other one, right? So you would normally think, okay, my probability is 0.026, but it's not 0.0263. I'm sorry, it is not this one, but the
No, no,
probability in
no.
reality is this one here, right?
Yes, yes, yes. They don't. Mhm.
Okay, now let's go to the black and red. Black and red.
Black and red?
Yeah. What is the, let's say that you decide to put a chip of $10 here in red, right? You put in red. You would say that your probability is what? Probability of getting a red number.
Ah, or whatever red number?
Yeah, any red number. What's the probability?
I don't know. Is the half? No, no, no. Is the half of the colors?
What do you think? What do you
Oh,
think?
okay. I'm going to
Count the numbers.
count.
There are 36 numbers.
Yes.
18 are 8.
3, 6, nine. Okay, 3, 6, nine. Okay, this year. Okay, okay. It's a half, but we still count the zeros, teacher. The zeros.
Exactly, exactly right. So it is 16, I'm sorry, 18
18, yes, plus the zeros.
divided by 36 or 38.
38, no?
Exactly, exactly. So that makes a difference. That gives the edge to the house because the zero and the double zero are for the house. So what is 18.38?
Okay. Okay. Is 0.4736. Yeah,
Okay,
cause
let's do it like that.
yeah.
Normally you would expect that the odds for the casino, I mean, the odds for the player, let's see that you and I go to a casino
Mm-hmm.
with your dad's permit, of course, with your parents' permit, and we go and we say, well, what's our probability? Well, we normally would think it's 18 divided by 36. We would say no, it's 50% of
Yes.
0.5. But no, that's not true because the zero and the double zero count too, right? So
Yes,
in
but it's very
reality,
similar, no?
it, they are very similar, but over a long time, over the long period, the edge for the house with capital H
Okay.
is what? 0.500, I'm sorry, 500 minus what? Edge
Um,
means advantage.
Sorry?
Edge means advantage.
Mm,
Edge is the same as advantage. Edge is ventaja, ventaja for the house.
okay. Oh,
Minus
okay.
0.473. Yes,
Oh,
that
oh,
is
it's very injusto, no?
it's unfair. Well, yeah, but that's why the casinos become rich because they have an advantage.
Yes, it's very difficult to win in this. So,
Exactly, exactly. But believe it or not, this advantage is regulated by the government.
uh,
You cannot have an excessive advantage. You can have certain advantage, and the players know that you are playing against the odds of the house. The house has the advantage because zero and double zero are for the house, not for the player. Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
So what is the net advantage? It's like if you play soccer with 12 players instead of 11,
Oh, okay.
or if you play basketball with 6 players and not 5.
Yes.
Yeah, it's an advantage. So what is this point?
The difference of this,
Yes, 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 0.27, right? More or less.
yes, and we see that it's like the probability of 1 divide 36 on the another probability.
Ah, that's
It's
true.
very, very similar, no? It's very similar.
You're right. Yeah, that's true. That's a good
Yeah.
sign, good observation. is very similar to this number. The probability of having one extra number.
Yes, maybe it is some relation, no?
Yeah, there will be a connection with that. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Well, the thing is that Cardano
Uh-huh.
was the guy that originally studied all these numbers and combinations and probabilities.
Oh, okay. He's invent this game?
No, he didn't invent it, but
Ah,
he made the studies of probability for different games
okay, okay,
to
okay.
get the odds. And I find that really, really interesting, very, very interesting because it gives you, how can I say, like a motivation to understand the games of chance. They call these
Yes.
games of chance,
Okay. Yeah. Yes. The game. I sorry. I
juegos de
the
azar.
I sorry, teacher. Can you repeat the question? I very lost in.
No, they say that Cardano
Mhm.
made contributions to the games of chance, juegos de
Chance, the
azar.
chances, no? The
Chance, yes, yes, exactly. Games
of
of chance.
well, it's very Cardano knows so that he's very sad, no? The chances.
Yeah, well, exactly, exactly. So, well, that's how it was. Let me delete this. What do you think of these games, Luis? How do you like this?
I think it's very interesting and study. I think it's very interesting study, but because I think that maybe of one game of casino, one person that know combinatoric or probability of mathematic knowledge, maybe have a advantage
Oh,
or
yeah.
than a person that don't know nothing of this, no?
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, but in reality, you still need to study quite a bit. You need to study a lot to go into a
Yes,
casino
yes.
with intention of winning. You can say, "Well, I have extra 1,000 pesos. I'm gonna spend them or go to the movies or whatever." But if you go with the intention of making money, then you need to study a lot of maths and probability and
Yes.
combinatorics. Very good, Luis. Okay, well, it was a great class. Thank you very
Yes,
much,
teacher.
Luis.
Teacher, sorry, I want to question you. How I enter to the tournament of leeches? I have account. Ya hice la cuenta. But
Okay, click the link here. Let me send you the link to the tournament and click inside. Let me send you the link. I already
yes.
sent it to you. Can you click or can you share your screen?
Okay, but I don't in. Okay, okay. I don't know. Compartir pantalla.
Share is in the bottom.
Ok, compartieron WhatsApp, creo. Compartir.
Oh,
Ok,
there.
aquí tengo
Excellent.
esa.
Yeah.
I think is on this link, no?
Yeah,
No, no,
click
no.
there, please.
This.
Click. Yes.
Yes, okay.
Click.
And I put, but I don't know if you still seen my screen of WhatsApp of.
Yeah, I'm watching your WhatsApp screen. But
Oh, okay, okay.
did you click in the link?
Yes, I clicked to the link, but yeah. I
Oh,
think
there.
that,
Okay. So unirse on the right
but
in
teacher,
green. In green.
for why this account?
That's my nickname. That's my nick in
Okay.
niches.
It's for you are the organizer, no?
I'm the organizer, exactly, yes.
Okay.
So if you click here in Unirse in the right hand side, click,
On
click there.
unirse?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay.
Okay, now you're there, Luis Angel, and that's your nick, right? If you see the tournament, above you see the players. There are three players in the tournament. Go up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
You see myself,
Uh-huh.
then a friend of mine, which is a national master, Cesar Rosas,
Uh-huh.
and he has a rating of 2149. And
Yes.
then yourself.
Oh, I'm going to lose. I'm going to.
No, no, no. There's going to be a lot of students. Don't worry. There's going to be a lot of players. And I'm not going to play. I'm going
Okay.
to
But
withdraw 2 minutes
every.
before the tournament starts. I'm going to retire. So I'm not going to play.
Oh,
But,
okay.
but Cesar is going to play. And he's a good guy and good friend. And he's a good person.
Oh, MN Rosas va a jugar?
Yeah,
Oh.
he's a Rosas. And there will be other players. Okay, Luis.
Um,
So this is
Teacher,
the
I
yes.
only... ¿me espero aquí entonces?
Well, or you can open you can open this link in 2 hours.
Oh, 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 okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, you don't have to be here. Okay,
But
Luis.
in what dream it's going to be?
Here in this link, in the
No,
link
no, no.
that
¿En qué ritmo? ¿En qué ritmo de juego?
rhythm 7 minutes,
Oh, oh,
seven
oh.
minutes, and
7 minutes. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So it's gonna be fun. The chessboard is going to appear, and then you can play. All right.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Very good, Luis. Well, now I have to go because I have my class. So
Yes,
great
yes, teacher. Sorry,
talking to
sorry.
you, Luis.
Bye,
Enjoy, take
teacher.
care,
Thank
and see
you.
you later in the tournament.
Yes, teacher. Thank you.
Take care. Goodbye.
Bye.